I noticed you had an operative that's been in hospital for some time. I looked into it, had a chat with the doctor in charge. Our kid's been put in a coma, mate. I don't know why.
And?
Doctor wouldn't say any more. She does know our kids were DedSec, though. She wants to talk with you lot directly. I'll send you her info. Time to save one of your own.
Haitian Minister of Foreign Affairs Samuel Toussaint was arrested in front of his hotel in London today. Documents linking Toussaint to the embezzlement of millions of pounds in earthquake relief funds were made public by the hacker group DedSec. Toussaint is now in custody awaiting extradition to the United States.
Welcome back to The Upload. Today we're talking about cryptocurrency. Crypto now seems like it's...
You're in the bar. Let's find the cop you're looking for. Found her.
Doctor, you wanted to talk to DedSec?
Right, here's the situation. Our hospital is run by AI from Kirkani Medical. Triage, treatment, all of it. It's done wonders for our bottom line, but I don't trust how it thinks.
What do you mean?
Your friend is not the first one to be put in a coma. I've seen it happen before, and it doesn't end well.
Go on then.
Every time the AI puts a patient in a coma, they die. Sometimes it takes a week, sometimes a month, but they never wake up.
What are you saying? This AI is just gonna kill my mate?
I'm sorry. I want this AI out of my hospital, but Kirkani keeps its software under lock and key, and I can't risk losing my job. But maybe there's something you can do. Good luck.
Sorted. You were very charming.
DedSec. Bagley told me you might need my help.
Listen, I think we're dealing with one of Sky Larson's neural mapped AIs. Is Broca Tech connected to Kirkani Medical?
If by connected you mean Broker owns Kirkani, then yeah, they're connected. The two of them have been putting diagnostic AI in every hospital in the Commonwealth. Guess Sky Larson never told Kirkani that their AI is a doctor with most of their mind cut out. No room for human error.
I think we could use a little human error right about now. If we can hack this hospital AI, we can change its directives and wake up our mate.
Records show Albion have requisitioned most of the hospital to treat their officers. Security has risen accordingly.
That was definitely something. What the?
I want the target now. Drone, initiate Oh god.
All good. I'll try somewhere else.
Send me all extra units.
I'm done. I'll shoot you. Don't make it harder in here. I'm pinned down. Save us all.
This is the coma ward. Seems the AI has been stocking this place up. That's not your operative. Keep looking. Wrong patient. Where's your operative? This is our man. Only a hardened resistance fighter could fire with such defiance. Looks like their medical equipment is still hooked up to the AI.
Just a simple click, 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 and we get our mate back.
Backdoor detected. I cannot be stopped. I am life. I am death. All are expendable.
What the hell?
I barely had time at all to analyze the AI. It really doesn't want us interfering. Now the AI is contacting security. Your choice, but I think it's time to go.
Must be close by.
I'm moving in. Shit, lost them. Don't see anyone.
Oh!
They got away! Shit!
Fuck me.
They're here somewhere. No sign of the suspect. Let's call it in.
That's it. I'm ending this.
Stay down! Right, I'm taking a look.
I'm going to check it out.
God, oh God, oh God! Ah! Move it Get to a secure position!
Treat them with respect.
Understood. Heading to last known position.
Holy shit! This thing's gone mental. It'll just keep killing healthy people and no one will stop it.
So what now?
The medical equipment is being controlled from another location. That must be where that quack AI is.
There's only one way to go from here, mate. I've had enough of these needless deaths. That AI has to be taken offline.
Send me those location deets.
You have arrived at your destination, Karkani Medical's warehouse, home of that malpracticing hospital AI.
You do realize this is about more than just saving your friend, right? This thing's been killing healthy patients the world over. This AI is a rabid dog, and it needs to be put down.
Spread out, but stay in contact. Keep moving. They have fled. I'll do so. Enough. I'm ready to fire. Clear.
I know you're here somewhere. All clear here.
Core module unlock in progress. Awaiting further instruction. Please, I don't want to kill anymore. I am life. I am death. I cannot be stopped. Stop me. Alert. Core temperature rising. I remember. I remember. Administer cc's of sodium thiopental. Yes, ma'am. I did as instructed. Patient is asleep. Begin operation. Call time of death. Do it. Another dose of sodium thiopental.
You're in serious trouble now. Prepare yourself. Got guns back to this? I saw. Oh, shit.
What an honor. Thank you. I can't see. What happened? No. This isn't what we agreed to. No. I am life. I am death. No. Thank you. Thank you.
Come on, out with you!
Come on, pack it in. The Victor's running. Why are you doing this? Ah! That's it. Ah!
You're in now. Think I saw something. Have a look. Save us all the trouble and give up.
I'm coming for you. Ah!
Right there, run a search. Getting. Back up, back up, back up! I need backup!
Prepare yourself, fucker!
Need some cover!
get this party started.
Urgent call. Possible hostile at your location.
Understood, Control. Awaiting further instruction. Over.
I had them. Where did they go?
We are inbound. Stand by. There's our suspect. Over.
Control, we have a visual on the suspect.
Well, that AI isn't coming back. Shouldn't be long before the hospital defaults to standard protocols and our operative is brought out of his coma.
That's another one of Sky Larson's AI taken care of. It still boggles the mind. Sky Larson left these AI with some humanity. Just enough to know they want to die. Why would she do that?
Acute sociopathic personality disorder? Just a guess. Anyhow, I'll get to work resuscitating your operative. They should be back in the safe house soon. Good news, everyone. Our formerly comatose operative is back at the safe house. He seemed a little shaken. The 3,046 books on psychology I just read all say you should talk to him. That, or help him murder his father. But I'll leave that up to you.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright. If it hadn't been for you guys, it would have been curtains for me. Thank you. I think I'm ready to get back out there now.
Glad to hear it.
Let's hope their information's good.